Although we stayed with dry weather this Friday around the coastal areas, we still had isolated thunder showers developing this afternoon over much of the interior. The storms are now threatening to move into parts of the south coast, and this is going to leave us with up to a 40% chance of thunder showers tonight across much of the country. Now, looking ahead to Saturday on our futurecast map, isolated thunder showers are going to persist across much of South Africa, extending down into parts of the Eastern Cape coastal areas. It's going to stay dry along the west as well as the east coast. However, it's going to be very hot along the east coast and the southern interior. Now, with that, let's take a look at weather alerts for your Saturday. The South African Weather Service has issued a watch for extremely uncomfortable weather conditions along the east coast and much of the southern interior. We also have a watch in place for very hot weather conditions over the central Karoo of the Western and Eastern Cape, where temperatures will easily reach and exceed 40 degrees in places. Now, here's a closer look at the weather in your area. It's going to stay mostly dry along the KwaZulu-Natal coastal areas, Richards Bay peaking at 33, 32 for the high in Durban, similar temperatures in Ladysmith, where thunder showers are expected extending into Newcastle. Thunder showers are also forecast over the interior of the Eastern Cape, extending down into Port Alfred as well as Port Elizabeth, where a high of 28 is expected. A hot 40 is forecast for Somerset East. Similar temperatures are expected in Oson, but it's going to stay dry here and across much of the south coast. Partly cloudy but dry weather is forecast over the southwest coastline. Cape Town should peak at a comfortable 26 degrees. It's going to stay hot, however, as we go up into Springbok, where a high of 33 is forecast. 38 for the high in Uppington and Priska. Thunder showers over the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, extending into much of the Free State. Bloemfontein should peak at around 29 degrees. Similar temperatures are forecast in Mahikeng, and settled weather will persist across the northwest. Rustenburg will peak at around 31 degrees. Thunder showers are also forecast across much of Limpopo, including over Musina, where a high of 33 is forecast. We are expecting unsettled weather to persist across much of Mpumalanga. Bombela will peak at around 28 degrees. Thunder showers as well across Gauteng, Joburg and Soweto peaking at 27 and 30 for the high in Pretoria. Light winds are forecast this Saturday across much of the interior, but strong northeasterlies can be expected along the east coast and northwesterly breeze for the Cape Peninsula. Looking ahead to Sunday, stormy weather will persist across much of the country as well as along the south coast, light rain over parts of the east coast. And on Monday, intense rainfall creeps into the southern parts of the country and isolated thunder showers persist over the interior.